Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the set time. So what it does, it gonna set time if you created an event. So now what we're gonna do is create an event on what the heck just happened. Yeah, so create a var and event 1, and it's equals to the new date by using the new updated date, and inside it what I'm gonna do is July, not July. J will be capital and 1999. And now what I'm gonna do is create var event 2. So, and inside this what I'm gonna do is date and pass an empty. So if we that's it would be event 2, and yeah, and now what I'm gonna do is log it on a console, the event 2. Keep in mind I didn't put anything there, so it will give you the the standard time of today's. So this is what it does if you don't put anything. And now what I'm gonna do is to set the time. What we need to do is event what we do, like event do and set time, and inside the what we need to do is event 1 dot get time. So this is what it doing is it getting the time for the event 1 and put inside here. So when we do that, it gonna give you the what the heck, man, what just happened? Event, oh yeah, that's why. So yeah, as a function, because it's a function. So the get time and the set time is goes hand in hand with each other. And when we put this it give you the this date, and when we and the set time is put inside that event 2, and when we log it on a console, it will give you the standard time. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.